Hi everybody, I want to welcome you aboard Island Packet 439 number 10, Hawkeye, from Iowa City, Iowa. We are down on the dock at Harbridge Marina in St. Petersburg, and as you can tell, number 10 is completely finished. We've got an 11.5-foot AB dinghy with a 20 horsepower Yamaha on the back, sitting on the davits. We've got two 425 watt solar panels sitting up on the arch. We've got the lights there on the arch. I don't obviously have them turned on. They're white as well as blue and red. And then of course the transom. We have the solar screen enclosure up on part of it because we were actually showing it to one of our buyers yesterday. And then this is the the Strataglass enclosure panel in front of it. So they're all interchangeable, whether you want the solar screens or the isinglass. So we have another isinglass or Strataglass enclosure piece that is the same size as the solar screen panel on this side as well as the other, and of course across the back. The enclosures do not incorporate the stern rail seats. Our hard rail, the reacher track. As you can tell, this boat was done with the dove gray hull and the off-white deck. The standard eyebrow, she was prepped for the staysail package with the fittings on the deck as well as the mast prep. She does have the Seldine electric furlers for the reacher and the jib, our standard windlass, 400 feet of 3/8 high test chain on the primary anchor with an 85-pound Mantis anchor. And then next to it, he decided to go with the 46-pound Ultra anchor as the secondary. And we do have 50 feet of chain and 300 feet of line that follows the Ultra secondary anchor. The other choice, if you don't want to do the Ultra anchor, is the 44-pound Lumar. All right, looking towards the back. Obviously the solid vang and mast furling, the radome, and so forth and so on. Oh yeah, he does have the camera up on the front there. That's the Raymarine camera up there on the bow. All right. Bear with me, I'm going to walk back here and we're going to jump on board. Our Island Packet logo plate. Obviously we do have the hard Dodger. This currently has the Dodger cover on, which I'm going to leave on. And we're going to slide in here. Obviously this is the cover for the Strataglass enclosure. And we're inside. All right. So we've got the cushions out. These are the deluxe cockpit cushions. The standard does not include the backs. So this cushion, and then another one for this side would be the deluxe package. The standard does include everything else. The noodles, the helm seat, the stern rail seats, so forth. Obviously we've got our helm cover on. There's another look at the dinghy. Again, that's a 11.5 foot, and she actually fits very nicely. I think that's the right dinghy. Another look at the arch. We open up the helm cover. We've got our Raymarine autopilot, our Raymarine 12-inch display, our side power bow thruster. Excuse me, we've got lights here for the courtesy lights, underwater lights, the windlass, USB and two USBs and a cigarette lighter, obviously for the RAM VHF. You did get the standard starboard table done in the gray. And then that's the controllers for the head sails, as well as the Yanmar controller and the engine start stop. Lines are stowed away in the bins. Dual shore cords coming in to the locker. The Seldine synchronized mainsail winch, the knot depth, wind point, wind speed are 3. Multiple instruments on top, another electric winch to starboard, and of course our electric primaries. We do have the folding wheel, leathered wheel, even though it's not folded at this point. The connector panel for the Bimini and the Dodger. All right. That concludes the outside portion of the video. I'm going to stop it right here, and then I'm going to open this up, and then we'll start again.